Hi, my name is Akrit Shrikant. I'm in 11th grade. I go to Independence High School, and this is my currency exchange data analysis project. So the purpose of this project is to find underlying data trends in currency exchanges. One example is correlation, which is basically does an increase in the rate between dollars and euros correlate to an increase in pounds and yen or a decrease. And so the program would put out a number that represented this, negative meaning that an increase corresponds to a decrease in the other exchange, and positive meaning that an increase corresponds to an increase. A rate of 0 would mean that it doesn't have an effect. Volatility is how much does the exchange rate change over time. So we'd be calculating a standard deviation. An average exchange rate is exactly as it sounds. Over a specific period of time, we find the exchange rate over increments of time and average them. This covers 33 currencies over a span of 15 years, so it's really a big program. The technology used, we used Python and multiple packages within Python, like pandas and HTML for the graph. We used Jupyter Notebook for development, which is an IDE, and we used PyQt5 for designing the interface, specifically designer. In the data, I found that the rate between euros and pounds had a strong correlation between the rate of dollars to yen, and that rupees and krones are specifically volatile currencies against the dollar. I calculated volatility using standard deviation, which is shown in this formula. It basically sums up the mean or each of the values minus a mean, and it pops out of a number that basically shows how much it deviates over time. And in the future, my plan for this project is to use machine learning algorithms to be able to predict the future rate, so I could be able to take rates between euros and pounds and use it to predict what the rate would be in 2025.